Hi, my name is Nur Aina Najwa binti Muhammad Zairi and my matric number is P4240045. In this video, we are going to discuss about another important topic in pharmacology, that is principle of drug action. As we all know that drug is any substance that is used to prevent, diagnose, treat or relieve symptoms of a disease or abnormal condition. Whereas drug action is the pharmacodynamic parameter in which the study of drug effects and their action is prescribed. Drugs don't produce new functions to any cell or tissue or organ. They just alter the effect of the specific activity. However, altering the effect means either increasing or decreasing the activity of the drug. Basically, the drug shows its activity by following these 5 principles. Basic type of drug action is classified as stimulation, depression, irritation, replacement, and cytotoxic action. These are the 5 principles. Let's discuss them in detail. First one is stimulation. Stimulation is defined as selective enhancement of the level of activity of specialized cell. There is nothing but once we take the drug, it will show increase in activity which is going on the cells. For example, adrenaline stimulates the heart, pilocarpine stimulates salivary glands. However, excessive stimulation is followed by depression. Every drug will be having a limit point for stimulation. If it's crossed the limit after some point, the same drug starts showing depression inactivity. Here comes our next type, depression. Depression is defined as the selective decrease in the activity of specialized cell. There is nothing but decrease in rate or speed of biological activity, or that is suppression in drug activity. For example, CNS depressant action is produced by barbiturates. Another one is certain drugs stimulate one type of cell while depress others. For example, acetylcholine stimulates intestinal smooth muscles but depress SA node in heart. And the next one is irritation. This predicates a non-selective, often nauseous effect and is particularly applied to less specialized cells such as epithelial cells and connective tissues. For example, balm used to treat headache and senna is used to treat constipation. Mild irritation may stimulate associated function. For example, Angostura bitters increase salivary and gastric secretion. But strong irritation results in inflammation, corrosion, necrosis, and morphological damage. This may result in diminution or loss of function. And another types of drug action is replacement. Replacement is defined as the use of natural metabolites, hormones, or their derivative in the state of deficiency. For example, such as insulin is used in diabetes mellitus, levodopa is used in Parkinson, and iron is used in anemia. Here comes the last type of drug action, cytotoxic action. Cytotoxic drugs work by selectively attacking and destroying harmful cells such as parasite or cancer cells. For example, penicillin, an antibiotic, target bacterial cells. Next, zidovudine, an antiviral, acts against virus like HIV. Lastly, cyclophosphamide, an anti-cancer drug, which is destroy cancer cells by damaging their DNA. Thank you for listening. That wraps up the different types of drug actions, ending with cytotoxic action. I hope it was helpful.